Unraveling the mystery. The cat's pajamas explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and colorful phrase in the English language, the cat's pajamas. If you've ever stumbled upon this quirky expression and wondered what it means or where it comes from, you're in the right place. Let's explore together the story and usage of the cat's pajamas in a way that's easy to understand, even if English isn't your first language. The cat's pajamas is an idiom that means something is excellent, impressive, or of high quality. It's used to express admiration for someone or something that is considered the best of its kind. Imagine someone showing you a new gadget that's incredibly advanced and saying, "Wow, this is the cat's pajamas." They mean that the gadget is really cool or top-notch. The phrase, the cat's pajamas, originated in the United States during the 1920s, a period known as the Roaring Twenties. This era was famous for its jazz music, flapper culture, and the birth of many whimsical and colorful expressions. The cat's pajamas is believed to have been popularized by cartoonist Tad Dorgan and quickly became part of the era's hip slang. The phrase likely reflects the playful and eccentric spirit of the time, even though no one knows why cat's pajamas was chosen to mean something so splendid. While the cat's pajamas might sound a bit old-fashioned to some, it's still used today to convey enthusiasm and approval in a fun and light-hearted way. It's perfect for informal conversations and situations where you want to add a touch of vintage charm or humor. For example, if a friend shows you a stunning outfit, you might respond, "You look like the cat's pajamas in that dress." It's a way to offer a compliment that's both unique and memorable. There are other expressions similar to the cat's pajamas that also originated in the 1920s, such as the bee's knees and the cat's whiskers. All these phrases share the same whimsical nature, meaning something is exceptionally good or appealing. It's fun to explore these variations and see how language evolves while keeping its playful side. We hope you enjoyed unraveling the mystery of the cat's pajamas with us. This charming phrase from the Roaring Twenties not only adds color and fun to our language but also connects us to a vibrant part of history. Next time you find something truly impressive, why not describe it as the cat's pajamas and enjoy the smiles you'll get in return? Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the fascinating world of English expressions.